Hello everyone, this is Rohit Singh. Welcome to my channel DevOps Mela. In this series of lectures, I will be covering an entire SQL database auto deployment using Azure DevOps CI/CD pipeline. So before we proceed with the practical, there are few prerequisites which needs to be installed on your local machine. Like we would need a SQL Server Management Studio for restoring a database or for creating a database. We'll need a Visual Studio for creating a Visual Studio solution package. We would need Git, as I would be using Git repository for pushing the changes on Azure DevOps, and we would need an Azure DevOps access. So we'll have a simple workflow wherein I'll download a adventure sample database from Microsoft website. Okay, then we'll restore the database using SSMS. Then using the sample database, I would create a DACPAC file. I'll talk more about what exactly is a DACPAC file, what are the benefits of using a DACPAC file in my later videos. Then we'll create a Visual Studio solution package and we'll import the DACPAC file. Then later we'll create a CI/CD pipeline, a build pipeline using Azure DevOps. In the later stage, we'll deploy all these changes, the complete database using a DACPAC file on Azure Cloud SQL database server. Start the practical. So the step one, you have to download the Adventure Sample database from the Microsoft website. So open Google, just type Adventure Sample database, follow the first link, Adventure Works Sample database, and download the backup file from the website directly. Once you have the local copy, open SSMS, just right click on databases, click on restore database, and over here select devices because we have the copy on our local hard drive. Browse to the path where you have the backup file, click on the backup file, click OK. Okay, again click OK. So just make sure your path is right from where you're downloading the restoring the backup. The database name is AdventureWorks 2017. If you want to change your database name, you can change it from here, and I'll just click OK. So I'm restoring AdventureWorks 2017 full database, and it has been done. AdventureWorks database has been restored. So what is a DACPAC file and what it contains? A DACPAC file is a data tier application component package. It's a Microsoft concept to simplify the development, deployment, and management of data tier elements. In short, a DACPAC file contains a metadata information of a database. It contains both the schema of data as well as the data records or objects, which help us to easily transport any database changes from the local machine to the target machine. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a DACPAC file using SSMS. Let me open SSMS. Click on the database which we recently restored, the AdventureWorks 2017. Right click, click on Tasks, and click on Extract Data Tier Application. So we are building a DAC package using this tool. Click Next. If you want to change your application name, you can change it. This is the default location where your DACPAC gets stored. If you want to change the location, you can browse and change the path. I'll click Next. This is the DAC properties which we just set. Click Next. So my DAC package build is in progress. It's completed. So it takes, depending upon your database size, it takes time. So it hardly took around 4 to 5 seconds for me. I'll click Finish. I'll go in that location and show you what exactly we have. So documents, SQL Server Management Studio, DAC packages. Here we go. So this is a DACPAC file which we created. It contains the metadata information of our database. So in my next video, I'll be covering how to create a Visual Studio solution package and how to import a DACPAC file.